Well, hello. Welcome to the Blue Bike Noise channel with in the shed video of dicking around. Not a mail call. First step is I need to put all our rain gear up because we thought we was going to run in some rain when we was coming back from our 3-day road trip, but we didn't. We ran into sprinkling. That's when we put our rain suit on, but it never rained against. That's the motto. Put your rain suit on, it won't rain on you. Anyway, y'all run that intro. Watch the intro, and I'll be right back. Or when you come back, I'll have all this junk put up. Yeah, buddy. All right. I get to use my polyoxy tools. It's a trim piece remover set, and I'm going to use this piece right here. It's plastic, so I got to pull out the little plastic tabs. Oh, I think I told you, but I'm using this. I got it off the Jungle website from Mike It Yourself had the same kit, and he did a review on it. I think he did, or maybe he was just telling about it. Either way, I got one. So here's what we're working on: sling mod. Putting the LED. Well, you probably read the instructions. The title says LED bar light on the Spyder, and here's what it is. Ooh, it's got fancy. So it's just the LED bar that goes down on the front. Yeah, it got some weight to it too. Oh, here's something I need to go put on mine. I got me some shifter pegs that kind of matches my grips. Another idea from Mike It Yourself. Mike It Yourself. Yeah, he's changing his grips to pegs to mount his matches. Yeah, grips. Hardware enclosed in here. Here's your hardware. And instructions. We don't need no. Here's your mount. And it's got a little things on it too. And it's heavy duty too. Look how thick that is. No cheap stuff here. We got a shipping label. Yep, shipping label. Oh, sticker. We'll put that on her. We'll save that. It's the same as I had last time. I can't remember who it is.
Welcome to Blue Bike Noise channel. What's up, Technic Rides?
Huh, Technic Rides. I never changed it since last time. And you get all this hardware. And it's a plug and play kit. That's, yeah, it's plug and play, waterproof connections and all. It goes down on the front of your thing. I gotta, yeah, it's hot in here. I might need to go get me some agua before I can get started. I need a thermostat in here. So, we got to take off some panels here. Back of my head. Got to take off some panels here. I done took this panel here. It just snaps off. Pulley, just give it a tug. Goes this way. And it just pops off, you know. CanAm. Well, you probably could, if you want to change your color, you just buy different panels. And then this panel to access your brake reservoir, your oil filters down here, and we got to access the plug and play in here, and plus I got to take one of them plugs out up there. So I need a torque bit that fits in these torques, and I don't remember what size that's too big. I knew that was too big. That one. It's a T30. So let's take these T30 off. Power tube road guide, Andy. think you got 3 bolts right here. Nothing up there. Nope. Nope. We'll set them right there so I won't lose them. Probably will. Then you got to come up here in front. The front. Go to the front. Teeny tiny bitty. Teeny tiny bitty. Come with me. It's not recording me. Yeah, I'm still recording. Let's see. We can't scooch. Scooch. Come on, scooch. 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 Alright, we scooched. Whew. Did I tell you it was hot in here? Well, it is. We need a tiny Torx. Tiny Tim Torx. I wonder if it's a T something. 7 3/16, 13 6 7. I don't know. Whatever it is, a tiny Torx. Tiny Torx. Let me tilt these out. Is it a torque? It is. Alright, let's change the T. It's this size Torx. Would be the thing, ain't it? And spin them out because we won't need that piece no more. I think we need them screws though. Let's don't lose some screws. I don't need them. I got a magnet down there. I need my little scraper thing. Oh, that comes out and got a plug there. Huh, what's that plug for? Huh. Little rat nest in there? What's that plug for? I don't know. I mean, it don't do nothing. Oh, maybe that's the power to come into the... Maybe. You got a little hole right here. You got to fish your wire up through there and pull it out the back. Oh, I need some more wire. Oh, all right. Because they already plugged these wires up. Red and black goes to the front. And this one plugs into this little plug right here. They said there was supposed to got an adapter with it, I thought. I might have to go back and watch the video. Maybe you don't. Just plug that in there. But I gotta run it. I gotta take that piece out right here. This little dummy plug thing was. I think that's for something else that's already in there. It's just hanging down in there. Yep. So I need to run these wires through that hole. Both of them. Let me do that. Did I tell you this was got really good? Got that hard plastic loom around it. Not hard plastic, but there he goes. Really, I don't see why we can't just go ahead and stick those back in there. We'll leave it like that. Cause, yep, I put it the right way. So it says grill light. It says grill. Agua. And right here, this is the main plug power something. You just unplug it. They give you a plug to plug in. It's got to, because them are 2 males. So you plug that into that. And then you take that other wire that you just unplugged. Go into the switch, plug it into here. It says some RT models are wired backwards or something. And they give you another plug to plug in it if your light bar don't work the first try. I should have. That's funny. I can run them wires down and around. We gotta zip tie them down out of the way. Now I gotta run this one all the way to the front. Look at that. That's just hanging there. Well, I guess when you get the other thing plugged in, it won't be hanging there no more. Alright, so I gotta fish this wire all the way to the front. Woo, it's hot. I should have waited till I should have got out here earlier. Yep, I like being lazy. Woo, let me drink me some agua. Stay hydrated, people. Safety tips of the day. Alright. I'll show you back when we get back there towards the back of the plug-in situation. How we ran it down, and there's a hole right here, factory hole, and then you can look straight, kind of straight back this way. There's a hole coming out, and you can run the wire along the frame and fish it through there. But the way they did this one is different between the videos that they was doing earlier, or showing Sling Mod. They were showing this wasn't connected to the plug, but mine's already been wired in and everything. So here's what I did. I took a long zip tie, stuck it through that, took another zip tie and zip tied them together to get the plug out here. This plug right here is the factory plug. I have no idea what it's for. Maybe they had a plug that you from the factory would plug in and you get the lights down here. I don't know, but that's where we at. So now I got to use them screws I took off to put the plug back on. Then the kit supplies you with another plug to plug the wire light. I'll do that and then show you. All right, we back here. And I told you these had little things welded on, but there's a little angle right there that these fit in. So it's like it's made for it. I don't know what you want to do with that. This is, you'd think it would plug into something, but it don't. Just don't plug into that, it plugs into that. So I guess stick it back in there and hope for the best. Because there's no, I could take this off and I don't know. So we'll just stick this on there and pretend like we know where that one went to. Oh, look, it disappeared. Alrighty, folks. Here it goes. Will it work? It is on. Like Donkey Kong. Yeah, buddy. Ooh, them suckers bright. Yeah, you can see it coming now. Woo. Let me show you. See it coming now. I like it. I like it a lot. And I did have to use that reverse polarity deal, cord right there, for some reason to make them turn on. The gauge, the thing lights up. It says grill. See? So that's pretty cool. Lights up blue. All right, let me zip ties and button up, and we'll close it out. Looks having a shed, you cut the lights off. You can see how bright it is. Woo! On, off, on, high beam. Where's the high beam? High beam. Woo! Bright, ain't it? Let me see. Yeah, buddy. I believe you can see. Ooh, I can't see nothing. Bright, ain't it? Bright light, bright light. Well, there you have it, folks. I'm about to lose my battery, so you can go check out. That's a very easy kit, plug and play. That's probably the easiest kit I ever put on that. Check out that video there, that one there. Hit the subscribe button over here and donate to me if you want to see me put more stuff on my bikes and all. Just kidding. We'll catch you later.